Hi guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. So what we are going to do today? Today I have decided to unbox a fab bag for you people for the month September 2016. Now I'm going to talk about what fab bag exactly is and how it works. So fab bag is basically a beauty box which comes with multiple subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, and the charges varies according to the subscription span. Now, what fab bag actually contains within? So fab bag comes with 3 to 5 amazing beauty and makeup products which we may have heard about them or which we might not have heard about them. So I have got the fab bag for month September, and it's a beautiful fab bag which comes in a dewy shade. In front it says, "My life may not be perfect, but my lashes most definitely are." And trust me, this is what my life right now is. So let's get started unboxing the video. Unboxing the fab bag. Sorry guys. So initially I have got these 3 chunky cards which are personalized and saying what actually this fabric bag contains. So I'm going to throw them out. Okay, so the star product for the month for me is this. This is a beautiful blue kajal. Initially Fabbag has sent me a list of items and allow me to choose one, and I have chosen this kajal. This is a sugar twist and shout waterproof kajal in the blue shade. So you can wear it from office to party anywhere without even worrying about smudging the product because it's waterproof. Okay, so this is the first one. Now for the second product, I have got this Zohara face scrub, and let's watch what its characteristics are. So it's sulfate free, paraben free, formaldehyde free. That means this is not going to damage our skin and will leave a soft and supple skin after scrubbing it. So exfoliation, really good, really worth it actually. Okay, so for the third product, I have got this Scent Deadly face mask. This is a beautiful face mask again. You can see it. So this smells really nice. I have applied it and I can say that it really works on our skin. So as soon as this will be empty, I'm going to order this again from the website. Okay, so the fourth product is this Neemly, Tulsi and Sandalwood body wrap. So what we can do is we can take a tablespoon of body wrap and mix it with anything, maybe water, milk or even rose water. Apply it on your skin, and after 15 minutes wash it thoroughly, and you are going to get a beautiful glowing skin. So it's going to work. Okay, final product. I'm actually not impressed with this product, but who cares? When you got 4 amazing products, fifth one you can compromise with. So I have got these earrings from Fashion Photography. So these are really small chunky earrings. I am not really impressed with them, as I have mentioned it earlier, but I can wear them in office or with some casual shirt or t-shirt, or maybe can gift to somebody. So this is all in my Fab Bag September 2016. If you are a subscriber of Fab Bag, then do let me know in the comment section below that what products you get and what products you like the most. And if not, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe a Fab Bag, at least try it once. So what Fab Bag is, I'm going to link it down below in the info box. So go check it out, and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos. So finally what I am going to say, bye bye, take care.